Mr. Osman here again with another money-making tool. See my special bonus offers. Introducing VidEmpire AI, a revolutionary AI technology designed to transform a single keyword into hundreds of viral videos effortlessly. Imagine creating captivating shorts, reels, and TikToks that grab attention and drive millions of views without ever showing your face. Join our exclusive early access webinar scheduled for November 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we'll unveil the system and offer the lowest pricing ever. Don't miss out. The first 250 participants will secure their spot. With just a few clicks, you'll have access to a library of eye-catching visuals, music, and effects, making video creation a breeze. Our proven track record, including faceless accounts that earn thousands, highlights the immense potential of this innovative approach. Sign up now to learn how you can build substantial income streams with minimal effort. Act fast, as spots are filling up quickly, and this opportunity won't last long. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late. See my free bonuses too. Make the leap towards financial freedom and creative success with VidEmpire AI. I give it 5 stars, Mr. Osman.